Welcome back to the online classes. This is Zafrullah Mangi from the Department of Mathematics. Today we are going to start the topic even and odd functions. As you know that we have already done composite function and identity function and constant functions. So now this topic related to the even and odd function for the class of second year. So now the definition of even and odd functions is that let x is any input point, or you can say that x belongs to the elements of any set. So x be any elements, so let x be a subset of R, because x is a number of which is subset of in R. Here R is the real numbers and x belongs the whole numbers in real numbers, such that negative x belongs to x and whenever positive x belongs to x. There is two conditions here. First one is negative and second one is positive. If you take negative numbers which is belongs to the x, and these numbers also belongs to the real numbers. So basically these numbers, negative numbers, are belongs to the set x, and x set is a subset of real numbers. So directly we say that x is a subset of R, means you can say real numbers. So this is negative numbers of x belongs to the set x, and here positive elements which are belongs to the set x. So capital X belongs to the set, represent the set, and small x represent the element of set x. So here then a function f of x approaches to R, or x mapping to the R. This x capital represent the capital, means this x represent the set. So this function is also called even, respectively odd. So if there is two conditions for even and odd functions. First one is that if we put here the negative number of elements x and the result will same, which is given function, then this type of function is known to be even function, because there is no any effect when we put the negative point or negative input, we give the negative domain or negative input, and the result will be same, which is given function. So in this situation we can say that this is even function. Number second condition, if we put here negative point in input, and the result will become a negative, and the whole function converted into the negative sign. So this situation, in this form, you can say that this is odd functions. In other conditions, neither it converted to the even function, nor neither it converted into the positive or negative. So in this condition we can say that this is neither even nor odd. So the first example number 1 in your book is, let G is a function which is mapping from real to the real, and H is another function which is mapping from real to the real, and the functions, the G function is that and the H function is that. So now we applying these conditions. First of all, we taking solution, we taking G function, so here G function is g of x. This g of x is equals to 3 upon 5 x square. So now first condition. Here we put here in the place of x, we put here negative x. Just you can put in when you find even and odd function, just you put in here only negative sign. Here x, put here in negative x. Now putting in this place of x is negative, so 3 upon 5 is same. In the place of x we put here negative x whole square. So now if we break the square form, then the result will become 3 upon 5 is same. Now square, then x multiplied 2 times each other. So now the result is minus minus plus g of minus x belongs to the 3 upon 5, which will equals to x square. Because this sign minus minus plus, it converted into the positive sign, and positive sign you doesn't must that you are written or not. So here the same function g of minus x is equals to 3 upon 5 x square, which is equal to this function, because this function and this function is remain same. So here you can say that g of minus x, which will be equals to g of x, because this function is same here. So in the place of this function we put here this function. So now in which condition this function is satisfied? So you can say that this function satisfied on first point. So this function represent the even function. Which function? Even function. So this is our answer. Now again we prove the second function through these points. So now this function known to be even function. Now same here, the second condition we are applying here on the second function. So here I hope you are all understood this point, because there is no any typical point, because if just you put here in the place of x or any input which is given in this form, so you can put here only negative sign, but here I have already put here in the place of x, put here negative x. Only you can put here negative x, not only not only put here numbers or digits, but only you can put here negative sign. Bus. So that's, so in the place of x we put here negative x. So this x also put here negative x. Negative square, negative x of the square is converted into the positive x square. Because negative sign multiplied 2 times, then it will be converted into the positive. So positive must be multiplied positive, it must be in positive sense. So x into x square. So this function and this given function is same. So on the place of this point we put here this function. So this function is represent the first point, because there is no negative sign. In this point there is a negative sign. So this function is known to be even function. So this is we have already done here. This function represent the even function. Now we start the finding the second function, which is either even or odd. So here number second h function जो है, so this function, now the second function is that h of x is equals to minus x cube. Minus x cube. This is given function. Just you put here in the place of this x, you can put here x is equals to negative x. X you put in the place of negative x. So h of x we put here negative x, and this minus will be same. In the place of x you can put here negative x, because there is already given negative sign. So you cannot show this point is here. So you can show its own symbol negative. So here we put the place of the x is negative x. So now h of minus x is equals to minus is here same, and negative sign negative x multiplied 3 times because the power is whole power is 3. So negative x multiply negative x multiply negative x, negative negative positive, positive negative negative. So h of minus x is remain minus m, minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So minus x multiply x multiply x, x cube. Here negative multiply negative, what will be the result is positive. Or you can say that h of minus x is same is equals to this minus will be same, and this function is equals to the h of x. In the place of this function we put here h of x because h of x equals to the this function. So now this function is converted whole converted into the negative sign because we put here in the input sign we put here negative and the whole function created into the negative sign. So you can say that this function is odd function. I hope you have already understood it briefly. So I again repeat this same point. There is an other function h of x is equals to minus x cube, and we find here in this function either this function are even or odd. So here this function h of x is equals to minus x cube. So we put here only in the place of x is negative x. So negative x, when we put here negative x is same in the place of x, and here negative sign is same because there is already given here. So which this sign is already same here. In the place of x we put here negative x, and the power is whole in the form of cube. So this negative sign will be same. If we solve the cube of any function, so we multiplied minus x, negative x each other in 3 times because the power is 3. There is power is 2. We have multiplied 2 times power. So here we multiplied 3 times x base. So negative x multiplied negative x multiplied negative x. Negative negative converted into the positive, positive into negative converted into the negative, and x multiplied by x multiplied by x. When we multiplied x 3 times, then it must be added to the 3 powers. So x multiply x is equals to x cube. So here 3 times x are multiplied, then the power is 3. So negative sign is here. When we see that this function and this function here which will be equals to h of x, so this whole function is equals to this function. In the place of this function, we put here h of x only. So negative x cube we put here in the place of h of x, and this sign will be the same. So this whole function h of minus x converted into the negative h of x. So this type of function we can say that this is odd function and represent this point, because if we put here negative x, then the whole function created into the negative sign. So this is same here, the whole function created into the converted into the negative sign. So this function represent the odd function. Now we are going to start the exercises problem with related topic even or odd functions. Now the exercise problem 1.1 is that question number 12 here we must find question number 12 for each of the real number real valued function if on R is a real valued function, means real numbers defined below, state whether it is even, comma, odd or neither. So first point is that f of x is equals to sin x square, and number second point is that is an other point f of x is equals to x minus x square, x minus x square. Now first we solve this point. Solution here, just you can put here in the place of x is minus x, same here. So solution is here, f of x is equals to sin x square. So put here in the place of x is a negative x. Now f of minus x is equals to sin minus x whole square, because there is a square, so here is a square. If we find the negative x square, then it multiplied 2 times, so minus minus plus x square. So f of minus x is equals to sin negative positive x square. So this function and this given function is same. So f of minus x which will be equals to f of x. So this function represent the even function, This is our answer. Okay. Now same here, second point, f of x is equals to x minus x square. So now the second function is that just you put here only in the place of x you put here negative x. So you can already find here either this function converted into the positive sense or it converted into the negative sense. If this function whole function converted into the negative sign, then you can say this function is known to be odd function. If this whole function is when we put here the point negative, and it doesn't matter that you can put here negative sign or positive sign, but there is no any effect on the function. So this type of function you can say that this is even function, because there is no any effect when you put here negative sign, negative x in the place of x, and there is nothing any difference between given function and the result of when you put here negative sign. So this type of function you can say that these are the even functions. So now the second function, second point, f of x is equals to x minus x square. So now f of x is equals to x minus x square. So solution, f of x is equals to x minus x square. You can put here in the place of x is equals to negative x, just negative x put करना है. Now f of minus x is equals to, in the place of x we put here negative x and minus is same, and in the place of negative square. So when we solve this function, f of minus x is equals to, this is minus x because there is no any power or no any negative function when you can apply negative multiplied by negative or negative multiplied positive. So there is no any other sign before the negative x. So this negative sign is same here, and now negative sign is same. When you multiply 2 times of the negative sign, then it converted into the positive sign. So in this sense, this whole square of the negative sign is converted into the positive sign. So you can already show here negative multiplied by negative into the positive. When you multiplied by negative x minus plus minus x square. So this whole function is not converted into the positive because first here x is positive and second here is negative. In this sense, first will be converted into the negative and the second is not converted into the positive. So in this sense, there is no any effect from both variables in the given function. So in this type of the function, neither odd nor even. So this will be answer. Okay. If we common, you have any thinking about this function? Either sir, we taking minus is common here. If you can take here the negative sign is common, let's suppose minus x is equals to, there is negative sign is both and we common here the negative sign, then x, these both terms are converted into the positive when we common here. So you can see here this function either same or not. This point and this point is same or not. What is different between these functions? There is a negative sign, but there is positive sign. So this function and this function is not equal to each other. Okay, this function is not equal to each other because this function is not same here. So this condition not represent the even function, nor represent the odd function. So same here, question number 12, part number 3 and part number 5. Part number 3 and part number 5 is homework for you, and part number 4 and part number 6, inshallah, I will do myself and tomorrow lecture. Hope you are understanding these these topics are briefly. So this is the 2 examples are 2 questions you have solved yourself. Question number first one is question number 12, part number 3, f of x is equals to x plus x cube, on the page number 15, and the function f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. These 2 problems you can solve yourself with the help of these examples and these problems.